Hello friends, welcome back to the many video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friends we are going to talk about guys influence while phone battery setting, and today video title is guys how to turn on ultra battery saver mode in Infinix mobile. Friends, you want to on ultra battery saver mode, ultra power saving mode. So how to turn on and how to use it one by one, step by step friends we will talk about. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon, like the video guys. Friends, open your Infinix mobile phone setting. After on phone setting, friends, you can see this type interface in your device. Friends, in your Infinix mobile, scroll it and friends click your power setting. Click your battery setting. After on battery setting, friends, you want to on power use setting, so you can on from here and you can use it. Friends, you can see power use setting is after on power use friends. Dark mode will on automatic on your device. And friends, you don't want to use power use setting, so you can turn off from here. Friends, click here close anyway. And friends, you want to use ultra power saving mode settings, so friends click here and friends click here enable option. After enable friends, you cannot use your all app, only friends two app you can use, calendar app and phone call app. Friends, you can use only calling app and calendar app. And friends, you can see guys we cannot use background activities, we cannot close recent app, we cannot use any app on, we cannot on phone setting also. After turn on ultra power saving mode setting in Infinix mobile. And friends, if you on your phone screen, so friends your screen will show this interface. So friends, click here quiet option and friends you can see are you sure you want to quiet ultra power saving mode? Yes, I want to quiet, I want to turn off. So friends, you can see automatic ultra power saving mode will off in Infinix mobile. And friends, you cannot use ultra power saving mode setting, you want to use again friends click here enable option and you can use in your Infinix mobile. So bye friends, thanks for watching the video. I hope friends you understood how to use ultra power saving mode setting.